Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. So, Gemini has just rolled out a massive update, one that a lot of people have been waiting for. NotebookLM is now fully integrated inside Gemini, turning it into a complete research hub, content creator, and analysis tool, all in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most powerful features included in this update, and more importantly, how you can actually use them to improve your research workflow, content creation, and overall productivity. Let's dive in. The biggest change? You now get direct access to NotebookLM right inside Gemini. If you look at the sidebar, you'll notice a new Notebook section. Click on it, and you'll see all your saved notebooks instantly available. Open any notebook, and everything is already organized for you. PDFs, websites, documents, all your sources in one place. You can easily add new files from Google Drive, paste text, or even include web links. And of course, you can remove or replace sources whenever needed. Now, let's create a notebook from scratch, because this is where things get really powerful. Head to the sidebar, click New Notebook, and you'll get a blank workspace. Give it a name, something like AI Research, and just like that, your notebook is ready. Click the three dots, and you'll find options like Rename, Pin, Delete, and Settings. Inside Settings, there's a key feature called Notebook Memory. When this is turned on, Gemini remembers your previous chats within that notebook. That means it builds on your past inputs instead of starting fresh every time. Super useful for long-term projects. Right below that, you'll find Instructions. This lets you define how Gemini should respond. For example, you can set it to always reply in a structured format with headings and bullet points, using a professional tone. Once set, every response follows these rules automatically.
Now, let's see it in action. Open your notebook and launch NotebookLM from the top. Enter a query like AI tools for academic research, and it will gather relevant sources. Import them, then head back to Gemini. After refreshing, you'll see all those sources synced into your notebook. Now you can ask something like, give me the key insights from these sources in a structured format. Gemini will generate a detailed, organized response based entirely on your uploaded material. You can also upload your own files and ask for summaries or insights. But here's where it gets even better. Switch to Canvas mode. Instead of a simple response, you now get a fully editable document. You can tweak headings, adjust formatting, and refine the content just like you would in a document editor. And it doesn't stop there. At the top, you'll see a Create option. From here, you can transform your content into different formats, like a web page, infographic, quiz, flashcards, or even an audio summary. For example, click on Infographic, and it instantly converts your content into a visual layout. There's also a powerful feature called Describe Your Own App. This allows you to generate completely custom outputs. For instance, you could ask it to build an interactive dashboard that explains your topic step by step with clear sections and navigation. So now, instead of just getting answers, you're actually creating tools, visuals, and mini apps based on your own data. Another big advantage, every conversation inside your notebook is saved automatically. You can revisit past chats anytime, meaning your notebook evolves into a full workspace over time. So now, with NotebookLM fully built into Gemini, you're not just chatting with AI. You're building a complete system for research, content, and productivity, all in one place. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.